Nemakini zinja hambani mgodoyi omengameli benu le bahluleka ngisho ukukhanda izibhedlela mabegula bafuna ukuzolashelwa eSouth Africa. Owethu president ulashelwa la eSouth Africa. Ngisho ubaba uMandela ezoshona segula wayelashwa kwi-military hospital yala eSouth Africa. Abe nimkhovu nje nibuya nifune nobukhovu benu le nifuna ukuza nabo la. Alright, lelizwe solungisa bafowethu asizukuncenga umuntu nje. Akekho nje sizomncenga, akekho. Umuntu obengasinakile sonke lesikhathi ngake ngenza ivideo la mina. Ngathi owayigcina emkhulu uzophaphama ngelilanga engasemkhulu. Ajo umuntu ofuna uba ikhansela akangene kuleli viki esilisebenzayo. Akho khansela la lizovele kuqhamuka emoyeni nje. Umuntu singamazi nokuthi yini ayithandayo, ulwelana ufunani ini hayi. Ayisezikwenzeka leyo nto leyo. Niqhubeke ke nibekela wena amakhansela ayimsangano sizonibuka nje. Kodwa ngoba sesinitshelile ukuthi ikhansela liphume kubantu abalwelizwe. Hayi ke. Sesiyobona. Noma ningathi xenophobic. Noma ningathi tribalistic. Noma ningathi sijani. Noma ningathi we are uneducated, we are unskilled, we are in our country. We are fighting for our country with all that small brain, with all that xenophobia, with all that Afrophobia, with all that unskilledness, with all that tribalism. We are fighting for our country. We are only, and when you can stay, you can be as discriminative and describing us as much as you want. We don't care. Tina Silwela Israeli to go and fight for your country. Your kids are being kidnapped that side. Your kids are being killed that side. And you are here in South Africa fighting South Africans. And you call yourself a man. Fusak, Amban. See you, bro. Next week, the following week, before the 30th, because we don't want anybody to die. We are going to remind those Nigerians that you are not what you think you are. Go back to your country. Nigerians thought they were smarter and bigger because they were fucking the MPs in the parliament. They were sleeping and scamming the MPs in parliament. Oh, gogo. Belala no gogo. Bebanikeza imali lapha labo gogo base parliament. Abahlale bezela. Balala nama Nigerians. Bonke laba bantu abangogogo abangafuni ukuphuma eParliament abazenza intombi abagugile balala nama Nigerians. Wonke lamasonto okudayiswa kwama drugs ama Nigerians asupportwa ngabafazi abadala izalukazi eseParliament ezingafuni ukuguga ezingenandaba nezingane zazo. Siyakwazi lokho. Niyakhumbula oMotoso babe supportwa abafazi bamaqembu athile baseParliament. uOmotoso ehlwengula izingane zakithi. Uyabo? We are shutting down all those churches. All foreign churches will shut down in South Africa. Yeah. Just thank God that I'm not in power. Because if I get a little bit of power, I will stop all this nonsense in South Africa. In 12 months, South Africa will be back on its feet. Because benza ngamabomu abantu. Abantu benza ngamabomu abantu. Abantu, they have deals with these people. We have no deals with these people. We are unbribable. You can't buy us. We will fix this country, because if this country is fixed, izolisiza wonke umuntu. This country, if it's fixed, whoever is doing business will do business. Whoever is working will be working. Everybody will be doing their part in a good way. So that's why we want this country to come back to its feet. That's why we want this country to be back to its glorious moments. Because asikwazi bafowethu ukuthi izwe silithathe silihudule phansi. That's why we are calling on all races that are South Africans to take part in this thing. Take part in this thing. And we are warning the security companies as we are heading for the 30th of June. I'm warning you. All the security companies, I am warning you. Security companies, I'm repeating this like I can't hear myself. South African people are fighting for their country. South African people are standing up for their country. They are fighting the injustice. So do not stand against them. Anyone. I heard that some EFF members and some foreigners and some Muslims are coordinating. Actually, it's the Israelis that are here in South Africa. They are coordinating a counter march. Don't. My advice to those that are organizing a counter march: be smart. Just don't. This is bigger than everybody. You can't stop it. We are not going to break anything. We are not going to bend the country. We are not going to hurt anyone. But don't stand in our way. Just allow us to peacefully do our things the way we've been doing it for this long. So we don't need anyone now. We don't need any politician to interfere. We don't need any government official to interfere. We just need you as a person that is in power to become a South African. We need the president to be a South African. We need all premiers to be South Africans. We need all MPs to be South Africans. We need everyone in parliament to be a South African. And we need to stand together, stand on the same ground, on the same side, and face the problem. And then everything is going to be okay. We've never called for anybody to come down or to be removed from his position. So there is no need for anyone to stand against us. Siyayinyisa lento lena ngeke ngempela manje. Ngantshela ngathi leli izwe lolungiswa izinsizwa. Ngatshela ngishabaculi, ngathi webaculi in 10 years. I said this 3 years ago. Ngathi amaciko akithi kufuneka azi ukuthi ubunsizwa la eSouth Africa yibo buzobe busho ukuthi akiwe ngakuphi. Hayi ukuthi ngangikhuluma iphupho noma ngangibangedelela abanye bangedelela abanye sesingabangani nabo namhlanje ababengedelela. Kodwa ngangintshela into engaziyo ukuthi izokwenziwa yimina. Ngathi leli izwe liyokhululeka, mhlali khululeka, ngiyobe ngomunye wabantu oyobe hola abantu abayobe bekhulula leli izwe. Hamba uyobheka ama video ngoba ngangingaqakeli. Thina phela we don't just wake up in the morning and talk rubbish. We are given visions about impilo, and we listen to those voices when they come to us and say, this is what must be done, and it must be done in a very respectful way. So, bafana bakithi, ingane zakithi, ingane zakwethu, nonke. This is our country. Wonke umuntu needs to play a little part in making sure that this country becomes comes back to its normal self. So wonke umuntu ola eSouth Africa sicela abambe iqhaza ekulekeleleni izwe insizwa zakithi. Nibonile ukumasha kwenu ukuthi abantu bayahamba manje. Yabona? Nibonile ukumasha kwenu ukuthi abantu bayahamba manje insizwa. Madodakazi, ingane zakithi, bodadewethu, nibonile ukumasha kwenu ukuthi yikho kwenza abantu behambe njengamanje. Ngakho-ke sicela bafowethu ukuthi niqine, niqhubeke, ningapheli amandla. Ayizondi inkabi, ayibambe khona. Dankie.